Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this canning set. Now this has everything that you are gonna need. You've got a 20-quart stainless steel pot here, so that will hold so much. Nice big handles to be able to hold onto them. And the lid is really neat. You've got a little ventilation hole here, and you have a little timer. So whenever you finally see that hard boil, you can just set the timer and it'll go all the way around. And then whenever it's done, you actually will hear it click. So we'll let that go. You'll hear the timer here in just a second, but that is a really nice feature that it has. Inside of here, like I said, you've got literally everything you need. And it's packaged really nicely. So let's pull all of this stuff out. You've got spatulas here. You've got an actual little lid lifter. So this is a little magnetic lid lifter, so you can grab onto the top of that and pull it off without touching it. You've got your tongs to be able to pick up any of your food items or anything like that, whether you're doing like pickles or something, or nice sized tongs. And let's keep going here. We got lots to go through. You've got a nice ladle. This is also for your jars to be able to help pick them up right here. So that is nice to turn off the lid, like open up the lid. And jar picker uppers. I love these jar picker uppers because when jars are hot and they're down in that water, you just simply use this, grab the lid, and it pulls them out for you. So that part is also nice. It's a nice little opening on there. And they have little gloves, because when you're canning stuff, everything is hot, so it's nice to have those gloves in there as well. Let's see here, we've got little pot holders, cute little stickers. Oh, that's nice. Little labels. Oh, there's my timer. So you heard the little timer go off there. So that's a really good thing to have on your canning, so you know just how long that is. You've got your labels. You've got cute little stuff here. And you have a funnel to be able to use when you are adding in, say you make salsa or jelly or whatever it is. When you put it over your jar here, you can just funnel it in there, and that way it doesn't go everywhere. Jar cleaner. I mean, they've thought of everything in this kit. This is fantastic. Oh, you can get little bags. So if you're gonna make up something, you got little bags that you can actually put that in there. I have not seen that before. So that is really nice. And it looks like you actually get another set as well. Let's see here. This whole entire set is fantastic for you to have for any canning adventure that you do. This is actually an apron. That's really cute. I did not expect an apron. I love how it has a little pocket, and it's nice and waterproof and all that, so whenever you do splash up, that is a nice little handy thing to have. And last, you do have this nice can lifter, so you can easily lift in and out your jars whenever you are doing your canning work. But all around, this thing has literally everything you need to get going with your canning adventures. I mean, this is literally more than I expected with having the bags, the apron, everything you need.